Hey guys, it's Tassie. I kind of wanted to get on here and do an introduction video and kind of tell what the channel is going to be about. I'm an independent Herbalife distributor. I'm a mom of 2 kids. My boyfriend, Zach, he just recently signed up as an independent distributor. Currently in Herbalife, I am a 5K supervisor and world team. I work out of a nutrition club, and I'm really the channel. I will be doing how-to videos on how to make like brownies, teas, shakes. Been sharing a little bit about the business and how to grow in it. I will be doing a bunch of really just short and sweet how-to videos, so you won't have to listen to a lot of talking, but you will learn how to do what you were on me with this journey. It won't be perfect, but we will get better as it goes along.